Wachowiettes. I know I messed that up. And the number 3 car of Denny Shot. Lights on the car corner pace car. Here we go. They come. Green flag, and we're racing.
And it's Bill's service. And the Kellogg 17 machine out front on that back stretch. Lasky.
Ooh, as the 13 is already off the track, Craig Mertz goes in the pits.
Still the 17 machine out front. Bill's service. Battles in for second and third. Lasky and Gardner going door to door in turns 3 and 4 as everybody's bottled up behind them, and they'll go 3 wide.
Yeah, the 746 is driven by Brett Wahoviak. Oh, look out! It's Derek Dobbs. Oh, Cheryl Hearn.
Just missing the Bracket Nationals podium over there, doing a little burnout.
And the 3 car and the 17 car is going to bring around our first heat for the AA bracket. As they are now in the Raw Steel Collision Center restart zone. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing.
They're going to go 3 wide at that start-finish line to get things rolling.
Wayne Huffman hungry for the inside, looking to challenge the 113 of Scott Gardner. As the 13 of Craig Mertz gets back out on the track.
Down 1.
We've got a heck of a battle for second and third.
Yeah, that's a big bottleneck. Lasky, Gardner, Hoffman, and Buzzle all right there.
As it's Huffman on the inside, challenging now. Oh, look out! I don't know if the 290 car there of Doyle Buzzle smacked the wall or what happened, but I saw sparks of flying. Those out there, those dirt track late models, that is the 746 there of Brett Wakowiak. Lights on the car corner pace car are out. They are now getting ready to enter the Raw Steel Collision Center restart zone. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing.
290 car having Doyle Buzzle having that whole side of his car kind of folded up over there where the 290 can't show anymore.
But you might need a few rivets there, Eric. I think it'll be just okay, just a flesh wound.
Yeah, it's like a wing bow right now. It's slowing him down.
Well, maybe it'll help for turns. I don't know.
It'll definitely air out the car, I can tell you that much.
But Doyle almost got sandwiched there as the 7 car of Rich Hensley was about to pass him on the outside. Whoa, Doyle Buzzell is all over the place now.
Yeah, he's getting bounced around like a little bit of a rag doll. He's trying to find his happy spot amongst all this aggressive driving. But anyway you look at it, it's the 17 of Bill's service setting the pace.
And it's Wayne Huffman now hanging on to third. Derek Dobbs challenging Doyle Buzzell. Derek Dobbs getting around Doyle. Wow, Eric, what a crazy bunch of stuff happening so far.
Yeah, service still hanging on to it right now. Gerlasky right there with Huffman and Dobbs. Those are your top 4 runners. As that 140 or that 746 of Brett Wachowiak making a move.
And it's going to be Colton hanging on. Here comes Huffman, followed by Derek Dobbs. The battle's for second. We got 3 drivers trying to fight for second place. Derek Dobbs falling off just a little bit that time. As Bill Service is going to bring them around, we got 3 to go this time by.
Yeah, Service had a nice little cozy lead, but it's slowly being dribbled by the 73 of Wayne Huffman as they work.
The inside's definitely working for Huffman. He's been running that this whole race, and he's just moving up the field.
Surely, Service and Huffman, 1 and 2, and Huffman almost held on, but can Service get it back?
It's like he's got a dirt car going to the hard inside. Here comes Huffman to challenge Service for the lead. And we've got a new leader, it's Huffman.
6/100ths of a second, the difference between those two, and they cross the line.
And Gerlasky is getting challenged by Dobbs. We got a battle for third. Who's it going to be? Looks like it's going to be Gerlasky, followed by Dobbs. So Wayne Huffman gets the win. Ran that inside hard, and took the win away from Bill Service. Wow. Pretty cool when those guys run the inside like that. Just seeing them run hard on the inside. Not something we see here on our regular Saturday night program. That guy was up.
That heat to the extreme.
So the top 5 moved on. That would be Wayne Huffman, Bill Service, Colton Gurlaski, Derek Dobbs, and Brett Wakowiak. Those top 5 go on. Eat your cereal tomorrow.
Breakfast of Champions. We'll have that here at 8 a.m.
Let's make some noise, Rockford Speedway, as he gets out. It's the 17th car of Bill Service.